What's your name and your badge number? First Amendment, you ever heard of it?
What is he doing? Oh my God!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back like you told.
Put your hands. What are you doing? Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. I wasn't doing anything. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh my God. You broke my ribs. Oh my God.
Stop.
You broke my ribs. Oh my God.
Yeah, he might be broke.
Oh Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Relax.
Oh my God.
Relax.
Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Oh, it's hurt.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Yep. Hold on. Relax. We're gonna get you squared up.
Oh God. Oh Jesus. Oh, it hurts.
So, I'm gonna take it off. Hold on.
We're gonna take it off. We're gonna take it off.
Slide it up your arm.
Oh Jesus. Oh, it hurt. It hurt.
Yep.
It hurt.
I'm gonna take it off. I want you to relax. All right.
Okay. Just lay down. Okay.
Oh, sir. Put me over on my back.
Yeah. Well, we'll get to that in just a second. All right. One thing at a time. It's coming.
Do that in a second, okay?
It's coming. Hold on. Put this arm up over your head. Back up. Put this arm up over your head, like this. Put it up here.
Yeah, there you go.
Now roll over on this side.
Roll over.
Just prop it up.
Oh Lord. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Night of Austin.
What did you guys arrest me for?
You got a warrant.
You have a warrant for your, I believe.
10-4. You have an EMS en route to 2-5. He's going to have an injury. He resisted. He's got a wrist injury from going to the ground.
Okay.
Because they pointed this guy out to me.
Okay, I got you.
Please.
Hold on.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God.
Sir. Okay.
Oh, Jesus.
Leave this arm flat. And that's the way we're going to leave it. I mean, for right now, just leave it like that. Any questions?
All right.
Legs down. Quit squirming as best you can. Because any of this body movement is going to make your wrist hurt. You understand? All right. Just leave this off. That's going to be that.
Okay.
Leave that one flat.
Do what?
Put on a glove and hold my hand. Squeeze it.
No.
I got you. We'll
Here, squeeze the shoe.
we got you. All right. Stay on the ground. Good. Sir, put your leg down. Okay? All right.
Seven 0. You gonna be my YouTube star with me, Red? Because all you have to do is just shut your mouth and let me do what I do. Big Nick.
Big Nick, you don't look so big, bro. Keep watching.
I'm a lot bigger than your little ass.